I'm Erin and I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful Christmas table setting. An effective table setting will set the mood for any party and will excite your guests this Christmas. When deciding what table setting to go with, look to your other decorations for inspiration. A plain old white tablecloth doesn't really excite a party, so I'm going to dress it up with some neutrals and golds. The key to a beautiful table setting is layering, so I'm going to put a neutral table runner on top of my white tablecloth. A table setting isn't complete without plates. We've got 3 courses today, which means 3 plates or bowls. To kick off the gold theme, I'm starting with a metallic dinner plate, followed by some textured white plates and bowls. I'm using some gold-plated cutlery to tie in the theme. Of course, we will need napkins. I'll be using 2 different colours to break up the matchy-matchy. I'm adding another layer by putting a large serving board in the middle of the table to form the base of the centrepiece. Ornaments aren't just for the tree, you can place them around your table for a unique look. I've got this miniature conifer, which is like a little Christmas tree, to add some life and dimension to the table. I picked this bottle brush from my garden, but red's not going with my table setting, so I'm going to spray it with some gold. You can spray any foliage that you find to match your table setting. Add some candles for some soft lighting. Lunch is in the oven, the guests are on their way, now all you need to do is have a great Christmas.